Hi there, students. A ghetto. A ghetto. Okay, a countable noun. Let's see, nowadays a ghetto, this is an area of a city that is predominantly lived in by members of a specific nationality, of a specific ethnicity, of a specific race. Yeah, okay, so an area of a city where people are all of the same race. Normally ghettos, this is quite a negative word. It's normally a poor part of the city where these people live away from everyone else, apart from everyone else. So living in one of the poorest ghettos in the city, it was really impressive how she got out of the ghetto and became incredibly rich. Let's see, in the past, during the Second World War, there were ghettos made by the Germans where the Jews had to live. So, for example, the Warsaw Ghetto in Poland, where all of the Jews were put into that area. They were made to live in that area. Yeah. So I think a ghetto, it's talking about a part of society, but particularly an area of a city, which is divided from the main part of the city. It's separate. Now, when I hear this word ghetto, I always think of a ghetto blaster. This is something probably from the 70s and 80s, and I have this image of a young Afro-Caribbean man walking down the street with a massive radio or tape set, and it's on his shoulder, and he's playing it because it blasts. The sound is blasting into the ghetto. Yeah. Okay, so a ghetto, a part of the city, particularly a slum area, which is occupied by minority groups. Yeah, it's normally people are a little afraid of the ghetto. Yeah, so I think you could also use this more metaphorically, as in a group of people who are set aside. So yeah, in the classroom you've got the ghetto of good kids right at the front, and the ghetto of the really badly behaved ones right at the back. So notice, normally or very often this word ghetto, this is used disparagingly. Yeah, it's giving the idea of poor, dangerous, maybe violent or something like that as well. Okay, so don't go into the ghetto because you're going to get it into problems. Yeah, so it's a poor section of a city, normally inhabited by people of the same race, the same religion, the same social background, and this is often as a result of discrimination. And if these people are together, then they don't discriminate each other. Yeah. Okay, so I think though ghetto, the people from the ghetto are very stereotyped, and this is not such a good thing. So let's see, what would I say formality for ghetto? I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use it anywhere. And then as to origin, I think this originally came from Italian. Let's see, there was an Italian word, borghetto, yeah, meaning a village, and this is the diminutive of a borg. So borghetto, ghetto. I think ghetto or ghetto in Italian also means a foundry. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ghetto.